Pagara has to show his maturity by not getting upset. Oh! He's not going to get up. No way. He looks terrible.
Kamusta mga kakamao? Basag na basag at hindi na makatayo pa ang boksingerong ito. Nang tamaan ng solidong left hook counter na nagmula sa Pinoy na si Jason Pagara. At dahil sa natamo nitong malakas na suntok, kinailangan pang lagyan ng oxygen itong Indonesian boxer na si Billy Sumba upang makahinga. Isa nga po sa mga inaabangang Pinoy boxer noon ay ang nakakatandang kapatid ni Prince Albert Pagara, na si Jason Pagara, dahil nakitaan ito ng malaking potensyal noon. Na nasa pangangalaga ng Ala Promotions, kung kaya naman January 29, 2011. Ay iniharap ito sa dunuyong Indonesian fighter na si Billy Sumba. Sa bakbakang ito ang ating pambato na si Jason Pagara ay may bitbit na kartada na 24 wins, 13 dito ay nagmula sa knockouts at may isa lamang natalo. Samantala naman ang Indonesian boxer naman na si Billy Sumba ay may bitbit na kartada noon na 18 wins, 1 draw at may 2 talo lamang. Ginanap ang kanilang bakbakan sa Waterfront Hotel and Casino sa Cebu City. Sa labang ito ay makikitang may pagkabato-bato ang katawan ng Indonesian boxer at lamang din ito sa height and reach kay Pagara. Halina mga kakamao at ating saksihan kung paano pinabagsak at tinalo ni Pagara ang Indonesian fighter. Sa unang round pa lang ay naging mainit na agad ang laban. Sa pagpapakawala ng mga suntok na nagmumula kay Pagara ay agad naman sumasagot ng suntok itong Indonesian fighter at hindi nagpapatalo.
At sabi rin ng coach niya, he's matured so much more, he's got more weapons, a little bit more combinations and trained very hard for this fight. Oh, but look at Sumba looks like a strong fighter himself.
Yeah, he's solidly built. He's really solidly built.
Looks taller.
Sumba. But he's a stand-up fighter. You know, you look at him, he stands up very, very straight. That could leave him open for the stinging left jab of Pagara and the right hook, which he just threw. But he comes forward. Alam mo na say itong mga Indonesians, they like to fight.
Yes, they are fighters.
They are
yeah.
fighters.
Sumba lost his last fight to last July.
Alam mo na say Sumba, if you watch Sofyan Effendi, he would take some encouragement from that.
Tama, gandang laban ang ginawa ni Effendi, yung kapwa Indonesia niya, although talo siya kay Edrin Pudong ng Pilipinas.
Pagara, working with a good left to the body. But Sumba comes back. Ito si Pagara, 19 years old. Ibig sabihin, dati parang baby fat. Now that's being converted into muscle.
Yun, ang sabi niya, because of that Pio Solon.
Pio Solon, the strength and conditioning coach of the Ala Gym.
They do so many body weight exercises, plyometrics.
They don't jog as much as they used to.
Yeah,
With combination
they do a
by
lot of
Pagara.
sprints though and intense movements for 30 seconds, parang simulating yung action sa ring. So si Sumba, very timid outside the ring. Now you can see transforming.
Good combination
nice.
by
Right
Pagara.
there.
But Sumba comes back with the right.
Looks really solid, Sumba. Jason Pagara, 19 years old, mula sa Ala Stable. A lot of hope is put on this young man who was turned professional since he was 16.
Pero mahirap ito kasi this weight division is one of the toughest in the world.
140 pounds.
Sumba comes charging forward.
Sabi ng mga coach, this is talagang big test para kay Pagara to see how much he's really developed sa kanyang boxing career. They say he's really improved sa practice. Pero iba na syempre pag laban na.
Good combination.
Sumba tries to cover up.
Diane.
At nang tamaan ng solidong counter left hook ang kalabang Indonesian fighter, ay bumagsak ito at tila nanigas na sa natamong malakas na suntok mula sa Pinoy. Ngunit hindi agad itinigil ng referee ang laban, kahit na naninigas na ito ay patuloy pa rin itong banilangan. At itinigil na din ang laban nang hindi na talaga makatayo itong si Sumba matapos sa bilang na 10.
Where is the
Wow,
doctor?
what a bomb. At pumapasok na ngayon ang doktor sa ring. He hasn't moved. You saw the way his head wobbled. Pagara celebrating while his opponent is still down in the canvas.
That was a bad fall. I get a little worried.
At matapos nito ay agad naman inakyat ng medical team itong si Sumba upang bigyan ng paunang lunas, At maswerte pa din itong si Zumba dahil sa hindi nanganib ang buhay nito matapos makatikim ng malakas na suntok mula sa kalaban. At dito nga po mga kakamao ay nanalo ang ating kababayan na si Jason Pagara via first round knockout. Yan po muna sa muli ang video natin sa ngayon mga kakamao, muli maraming salamat sa panunood.
By knockout, Jason Pagara. Jason Pagara, ladies and gentlemen.
Big hand from the fight fans. Jason Pagara, Diane Castillo is up with him. Over now to Diane.
Awesome.